Yo, it's your boy Lelo Jones, and you watching Lelo in the Garden.
I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wilding in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden. I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wilding in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden. I'm in the garden, chilling, helping these plants grow. When you get your hand dirty, it's food for your soul. In the element, where you can't catch the breeze. While you break a sweat and get some dirt on your knees. In the garden, that way you can't find me. Getting all this knowledge and it don't cost a thing.
Yeah, man, we off in this thing. One more game. About to go ahead and do it, and get it right at the Outdoor Fresh Farm today. We got them dirt babies. You did what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and show y'all. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all we had them when we did the preparation thing. We put the soil out there, we got the water right, and look, yep, today is the day. We will drop them in the ground so they can live so prolific. You did what I'm saying? So we got a lot of different tomatoes in there. They all not finna go out here at the farm because y'all know the farm is not so big. You did what I'm saying? And we're gonna maximize and try to put a lot of different plants, fruits, vegetables, and all that up out here. You did what I'm saying? We're gonna have tomatoes. We got like I said, we got the dirt baby plants rather, which consist of tomatoes, some squash, a couple cucumbers, bok choy, kale, some edible flowers like borage, nasturtium, and I think that's all we got as far as the dirt babies, the actual plants which are called the seedlings. But we have a gang of seeds that we will also put out here, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna hop into it and make this thing do what it does. You did what I'm saying? We also gonna do some insecticide borders. You know what I mean? Y'all know I'm always trying to learn new things and stay up on new game. So I've been doing a lot of research on insecticide borders and different natural remedies or natural ways to help keep the pests down in your garden. You did what I'm saying? And to also help plants to grow prolifically because you're using a companion planting system in which the plants will help each other thrive and survive and not be combative. You did what I'm saying? So yeah, we got a lot to do in a very short window, but I think we're gonna make it happen. You did what I'm saying? First, let us go ahead, offload, get them dirt babies out here, and get everything in place, because y'all know we gotta put the pump all in the water, and whoop, 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 whoop. So we're gonna offload first, and then get to it. You did.
In my garden, this was happening, it's major blacking, growing on in my garden. You already know it's so outdoor fresh for super crop. Out here growing exotic stuff, but it's that fruits and veggies, bro.
Yeah, man, y'all see it. Got all the dirt babies out here with the seeds. You did what I'm saying? Even went ahead and put that water pump in place. But what we're gonna do before we get started today is go ahead and get ready for tea time. You did what I'm saying? It's hot out here, and I ain't finna bust out no fire. You did what I'm saying? So what we're gonna do is do what they call the cold brew, sun brew, whatever like that right there. And by the time I finish working, then that good will be done. Seeped out of that tea bag into that tea, you feel what I'm saying? And I will have a nice, lovely drink when I get finished, you feel what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and make it do what it does and get this cold brew started real quick before we dive into the day. Yeah.
Veggie, bro. Outdoor fresh for super crop. You already know what's up. Out here growing exotic stuff, but it's that fruits and veggies, bro. Tomatoes all in this thing, so many different type of fruit trees. Got beans, and more beans.
Alright, now since we got that tea on the brew and making that do what it do, we about to go ahead and start putting them seeds down right along this fence here. As you see, we have a lot of basically crazy foliage going on back there because the way they built that fence, nobody can get back there to clean it up. So what I'm gonna do is try to overload it with different types of flowers. You dig what I'm saying? I got marigolds, I got different kind of wildflowers, sunny blend, I got the shaded blend, the impatient, we got marigold. There you see, we got a lot of different flowers that we're gonna put in here, because like I said, we're gonna try to make an insecticide border right there, and hopefully it'll make it look good, and at the same time too, these plants will grow and create a home for our beneficial bugs and stuff like that, so they can come out and take care of the pest. You did what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we about to go ahead and get to it. I see there's some kudzu trying to come through, so we'll pull that as we go down the line, dropping it down so we can make it do what it does.
Come with me, and you will see how beautiful your garden can be. Hey, now what's happening? Come get with this planking. The outdoor fresh farm is so luscious and so lavish, growing exotics while boosting the aesthetics. If you plan it right, you can always.
Okay, what I just did with these first 3 rows is just basically trying to make a whole nother insecticide kind of wall border type thing. We put in them sunny wildflowers, we put in some marigolds, and we put in some zinnias. I don't get too carried away about digging holes and stuff like that for seeds too tough, because in nature, seeds fall on the ground, debris come on top of it, water hit it, the sun hit it, and then it germinate and it start to make its way through its next phase of life. So that's gonna be our insecticide area, you know what I'm saying? Just a little buffer, because I know a lot of stuff will grow on that fence. A lot of the vining plants that we're gonna put right there on that entry trellis, like the beans, the cucumbers, and the tomatoes, will start overflowing too as they start to grow out very wide and broad. So what we're gonna do now is just start putting these other dirt babies in the ground and make it do what it does. Get it!
When I look around, I always learn something, that is to be always yourself and to express yourself, to have faith in yourself. Do not go out and look for a successful personality and duplicate it.
I grow these plans for you. 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 All of this knowledge is God-given. Such a wonderful feeling to pick them and put on your plate. Not eat them, I know they taste great. Yup. I grow these plans for you. 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 All of this knowledge is God-given. Such a wonderful feeling to pick them and put on your plate. Now eat them, I know they taste great. In the soil each and every day, the plants grow every which way. But some wild out in the field for real, still propagating plants from last year. Get some dirt under your fingernails. I won't tell, call me Ezel. Go ahead and take a smell. Pollinators coming in from everywhere. Why they get next to the plants fade? That's how the plants be proliferate. The sun and the water, they double date. This type of size.
Okay, right here you see we got them greens over there seeding. You did what I'm saying? So we gonna leave them right there. You did what I'm saying? And start planting right here next to them. But these green right here, we gonna go ahead and take them up out of there so we can have that space to put some of them seeds down. You did what I'm saying? So we can maximize, you feel me? And at the same time too, these greens only probably got another week or 2 left, you know what I'm saying, before the seeds really start coming out and we can start collecting them. So what we would do then after we pull those is put some more seeds in here so we can have a good rotation. You dig what I'm saying? Basically succinction planting, as they would call it. So when these seeds right here that we about to put in now are going into fruiting stages and things like that, 2 weeks later we will have more of whatever we about to put right there. I think I'm about to put some squash right here, so we'll have squash busting, and then 2 weeks later more squash will be busting.
I grow these plants for you. I grow these plants for you. I grow these plants for you. I grow these plants for you.
Now before we finish putting these dirt babies in the ground, go ahead and smash down on that subscribe button and tell a friend to smash down on that subscribe button too. You did?
Having fun, tons of laughing. Gotta get it, I'm never slacking. Roll the dice, I'm seldom crapping. I didn't quit and you see what happened. Every second we grow.
Okay, right here on this net row, we gonna hit you with them 3 sisters. You did what I'm saying? That's the indigenous Native American way of planting corn, pole beans, and squash. See, the corn is gonna grow up tall, but it needs a lot of fertilization and it's a heavy feeder. So I'm gonna plant 2 pole beans around that thing. The pole beans will bring in nitrogen because they're legume. Then they can use that strong stalk of that corn to wrap around it and grow up to the top. You did what I'm saying? And then at the same time too, that squash that'll be down below will then grow out wide and create a barrier from the sun that'll help the microorganisms and help the soil to retain water so it can feed all of that down there. You did what I'm saying? So I always wanted to do it. And today is today. We will put them 3 sisters at the Outdoor Fresh Farm. Today.
In life, you gotta have it. That's why I love what I do. Teaching you how to grow your salad. Life is so beautiful when you get knowledge and then you can share it. When you eat the right food to help your body from getting damaged. The earth is our planet, but we treat her as salad. Now we stuck in this crisis, and we gotta change swiftly. If we don't change quick, then we will reach extinction. And time is running out fast, contrary to what you may be thinking. This a new wave, so get your life jacket and take a ride. So be prepared to have some fun and let out the child on the inside. We'll dip and dive and jump into some garden knowledge. Then your place will be really bustin' and you'll truly be ballin'. We growing and getting, we growing and getting, we growing and getting there. We growing and getting, we growing and getting, we growing and getting there. We growing with knowledge to get to that money. Now they give us that money to install their gardens. I'm growing and getting, I'm growing and getting, I'm growing and getting there. I'm growing and getting, I'm growing and getting, I'm growing and getting there. I'm growing with knowledge to get to that money. Now they give me their money to enhance their garden. I'm growing with knowledge because knowledge it grows on a daily basis. When we're living our life daily, knowledge comes from many places. But we too busy rat racing that we don't even catch it. It just go over our head like nothing.
Yeah, man. We just did it. Put them dirt babies in the ground. You did what I'm saying? We still got more to plant. You did. We got 3 more raised beds and the horseshoe. And we got to go plant on the outside too. But for now, that was a good day's work. You feel what I'm saying? We got a lot of rows of that good in there. And we also got them trellises planted. So, yeah, man. Well, not the raised bed trellises. We only did one of those. But we did the archway trellis and we did the archways back there. So, yeah, man. Good day's work. So, we're going to go ahead over here to this generator. Crank up, turn the water pump on, and make it do what it does. So then we can crank it up with that tea time. Yippee!
It's not the gardens. I'm growing and getting, I'm growing and getting, I'm growing and getting there. I'm growing and getting, I'm growing and getting, I'm growing and getting there. I'm growing with knowledge to get to that money. Now they give me their money to enhance their gardens. Grow, 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 grow. Put them seeds in the ground and we help them grow. Put that money in the accounts and then make it grow. Grow, 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 grow. Put that money in the accounts and then make it grow. Put them seeds in the ground and we help them grow. Yeah, man, we just over here planking and steady stacking with no capping. You overdid me. Just bringing this knowledge to your life every day so you can thrive from the Outdoor Fresh Farm. Get with it, you dig? I keep it growing, I don't care what's going down. No matter if
It's tea time. Woo! Yeah, man. It was a long one today, but look at that. We got that elderberry green tea. Look, that thing done turned it red in there. Yes, sir. Oh, man. Right temperature, I'm telling you. Man, this tea is really, really good right now. Y'all seen it? I just went in hard. You feel me? We got a lot more to go, though. You feel me? We got to do the planting outside on the outside of the fence. You got to do the planting right here. But we did plant the field. We did plant all the archway trellises, and we did plant the first raised bed in the front. So, I mean, that was a good day's work. You see what I'm saying? But before I jump into it, let me give some shout outs. You dig what I'm saying? Shout out to Atlanta first and foremost, because without Atlanta, Lelo wouldn't be in this spot right here making it happen with the placking. You did what I'm saying? Shout out to Food Well Alliance, because Food Well Alliance help with grants and all type of things like that, and as well with the plants. A lot of the plants that I planted today were through a grant that Food Well Alliance had, and with Love is Love Farm. Y'all know I went out there and did the class with my boy Chris Lemons, or the little workshop or what have you, doing the plant sale they had for the springtime, and they also started some plants for myself and other farmers in Atlanta. So shouts out to Love is Love as well. Also shout out to Groundwork Atlanta, because Groundwork Atlanta, they help with the infrastructure, the fencing, help with some of the other things with maintenance and stuff like that at the site. So appreciate them. You did what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we did a good bit of work. I did some funky things in there too. I did the Three Sisters, but in between the Three Sisters, which is the corn, the squash, and the pole beans, I put some bush beans too, to try to help bring in some more nitrogen, you know what I'm saying, and help balance the soil out and make it do what it does, you feel me, and feed the corn and the squash. You did. So yeah, man. Then I also did some more plant integration up there. I put in the kale, and next to the kale I put some of them garlic chives, because that garlic has that aroma that'll help keep bugs away, but at the same time too, I think that garlic will help make things a little bit more tasty. You feel me? I also did that with the tomatoes over there, and I also did that as well with what other row was it? Tomatoes, beans, not the squash, I don't know, whatever. Then I also did up there in the front, we put the beans, the cucumbers, and the tomatoes on the big archway. So as soon as you come in that thing, you'll have some of that good draping. You did what I'm saying? So yeah, man, trying to get up out of here, head back to Shadyville and make it do what it does. But before I go, y'all know I gotta run it down to you. Make sure y'all go check out that Amazon. You did what I'm saying? When I was talking about them insecticide borders or what have you, I was talking about that because a book that I read that I got from Amazon. So whoop, whoop, look that up. You did what I'm saying? So now I'm using Amazon, or I have been using Amazon, not only for tools and things like that, but for knowledge. You did. I mean, you got all types of books and documentaries and everything like that that can come straight to your door. You know what I mean? So check that out. Y'all know that music you hear in the background, make sure you go download that on that streaming. You did what I'm saying? You can listen to it wherever you at and have that thing clacking. You know what I'm saying? Help grow some of them hip-hop crops. You did what I'm saying? Then last but not least, make sure you go follow me on social media at Lelo_Jones and at Outdoor Fresh Farm. There's a lot of other little videos and stuff that I be sneaking in there, you know what I'm saying? And knowledge and stuff that's going on, like events, like classes, like plant sales, like blueberry sales, like everything else that I got going on. You can probably check that out on the social media first and foremost, because it's always updating pretty much on a daily basis. We let you know what's happening. So I'm about to get up out of here. Y'all continue to make the placking happen where y'all at, and y'all be easy out there, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace. Yeah, this how we drinking tea all summer long.
Gotta spread this knowledge to help save the world, man. To combat global warming, gotta save more green spaces and grow our own food that we eat on a daily basis. The more plants we grow, the more carbon comes out the air. Plants and trees like filters that clean up the atmosphere. We gotta take care of her so she will take care of us.